Hello guys, I got a couple questions about do I feel myself lonely here in Philippines, and I decided to make a video about it and to dive deeply in this feeling. I decided to make solo trip to Mountain Talinis, the Mountain Talinis. You can see it behind me. It's about almost 2 kilometers. Let's go up to the mountain. Yeah, it's really long trip. I think it's about maybe 2-3 hours by walking. Yeah, let's see. I'm already walking about maybe 40, maybe 50 minutes. It's not easy. I don't know the way, and a couple locals suggested to find a guide for me, but I want to make a solo trip, so I will find my way. After about hour, maybe 1 hour 20 minutes, I already had to change my clothes, and not because it's hot, because I cut my legs so many times. I met one guy, a local guy, and he told me that it's not allowed to hiking by yourself, only with a guide, with local. Actually, I don't believe in it. I think he just wanted money. There is no road, only jungles, and only I can meet here. It's like small signs.
You must stay on the path. Do not leave it. If you do, you'll never find it again. No matter what may come, stay on the path.
Come on, we must reach the mountain before the sun sets.
Yeah, but I'm just walking. And actually it's not so many time to thinking about loneliness for now, because I'm only focused on my road. It's not easy, it's not walking. It's 100% climbing. It's so interesting tree here. I don't know what is the marks, but I'm pretty sure it's not natural signs. It looks like someone made it for purpose. I don't know what is it. Maybe you know. You can tell me in the comments. I'm still climbing, but it's already maybe about half hour as I lost any marks. So as you can see, there is no road, any road. It's the first time maybe I can just stand without holding a tree. Yeah, it's really hard. I didn't expect that it will be so hard. After more than 2 hours, I finally found some kind of road. Oh, I already thought I will never find it. Guys, it's really hard. Firstly, I was afraid about spiders, because I heard that here could be poison spiders, big and fluffy spiders. But after about an hour, I don't care about spiders. I only care about how not to fail, how not to fall. Oh, and I fall 2 times. Hopefully I didn't damage anything like bones. Yeah, because I'm just in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, it's like rocks on your way, and you can step on them and go. It's 100 times easier than before, because I thought that maybe it's a mountain where no one going for tourism and hiking, and probably our first foreigner here, and I just was afraid about my way back, because it could be much harder than climbing up, because it's slippery. Guys, it's the first time I see something around me, because before I saw only trees. Guys, I told you about spiders. Here is so many spiders. In 1 meter 2 spiders, and I just use a stick to cut my way from their silk, because all my face in spider silk. Yeah, so many spiders here. I saw only small spiders, but maybe there are big spiders too, but I just so focused on rocks where I step in and don't see them. It's on the top of the mountain, almost on the top. I found a lake. I haven't energy and power to swim here. I'm so exhausted, and it's almost sunset, so I need to go, because I cannot go without sun, without light. It's just impossible. But it's really beautiful. It's top of the mountain, and you can see clouds just near me, behind me. It's so cool, peaceful. No one here, only me and spiders. Guys, my fear come true. I wasn't on time. I'm still climbing. I hadn't rest, but still I'm going up. It's night, dark, completely dark. I can't see anything without light, without my phone. Yeah, I'm so exhausted. I feel that I'm almost on the top, but it's night. I have less than half liter of water, and I also need to come back tomorrow. I'm so exhausted. I just wanna sleep right here, but I can't. I can't put here tent. So even I can't lay here. You can only stay, and I found one place where I can sit. It's cloud. It's not filter or something. I just inside of cloud. Really. I cannot record you anything, because only what I can see, it's some kind of way of road. I cannot name it road, I cannot call it road, but still it's better than climbing. Yeah, someone did it long time ago, maybe years, maybe more. Oh, it's a spider silk everywhere, but I already don't care. Can you see the road? I can't. I just can't. But what I can do? I can only go higher because, as you can see, there's no spider silk again. There's no place to make a camp to sleep under the tent. Yeah, you cannot do it here. Only one thing I'm grateful for: there is no rain. Because if now it would be the rain, I don't know how to do. You know, guys, this video I thought would be about loneliness, but here I just don't care about loneliness. When you feel threat to your life, when you have only half liter of water and you 2 kilometers above the ocean, no one here, no one lives here, no one walking here, you're completely alone. I can think only about sleep and tomorrow to survive and to come back home. I have no choice. I have to come back home, but it's really a challenge. It's the hardest challenge I ever done, and I didn't expect it that it would be so hard. I feel pain in my legs, in my back. I have backpack about more than 10 kilos. I don't know, maybe 15. Do you remember I told you about I'm afraid only rain? I'm grateful that it's not raining. It's not a rainy season rain now, but now it's rain, so I have nothing to afraid anymore. I'm inside of my tent. I'm already about maybe 5-10 minutes going down, so I suppose that I was on the top. It's not enough space to lay here because it's cliff just near from me. It's so cold outside. I think it's about less than 15 grados. I put all my clothes, but still it's not enough. And you know what about loneliness? I think you can feel yourself lonely even you in a company of people, but you don't feel really connection with them. And I want to tell you about I just laid here and whole day I thought about that I need gloves, because I got a lot of cuts on my hands, and you know, I just now found gloves inside of my pocket. It was Danny. He gifted me his gloves before he left country, and you know, I'm just laying here alone, but for one moment I didn't feel myself lonely. So after 3 hours of just laying, I'm thinking about that I will start my way back now, because it is not raining now. I think time is against me. I have only about 200 milliliters of water, so it's definitely not enough to spend here next day. But if I will wait, it could be rain in the morning because it's mountain. It could be rain anytime, and if it will be rain, I'm pretty sure that I cannot go anyway during the rain. It's too dangerous. And additional, I haven't any signal here, so if I really will need help, no one can help me. Yep, no one knows where am I exactly, and there is no someone who live near or someone who just walking through. Yeah, so probably it's better to start now because I'm just wasting my time. Guys, it's a place where I tried to sleep. As you can see, there is no flat surface, and here is cliff. Yeah. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that actually I found out that my tent isn't waterproof as I expected, and I bought it because seller on Shopee said that this tent is waterproof, but it's not. It has some kind of small protection, but walls of this tent still wet, so I have wet clothes also, and I only can say that for my lucky rain wasn't heavy. Yeah. Loneliness is absence of contact with someone meaningful to us. Loneliness is a choice of your behavior and your interaction with the world. I finally found my lake between mountains. After a couple minutes I saw lightning and clouds, so I decided to maybe it will be better to stay under tent than to be in the middle of nowhere without an option to make a camp. So I will wait for some time, and here is enough place for tent. I woke up after an hour. There is no rain, clear sky, so I can continue my walking home. We feel loneliness when we want to feel a connection with someone. It's a feeling when you feel boring with yourself. As for me, I just accept permanent loneliness and grateful for connections, for the moment of connections with someone. I found the limits of Filipino hospitality. It's 5:30 a.m. I almost reach my motorbike, so I'm almost home. It was really hard journey. I'm not recommend you to go here. Firstly, there is almost nothing to see. Second, it's really hard to get there. But if you want to just challenge yourself, or you're crazy like me, so you can go. Thank you for watching. Bye. I was right. There is nothing to see. It's clouds on the top of mountain. So I made the right decision.